Right guys, we're going to make chickpeas today. Chickpeas. First thing first, make the wok hot. Use about 2 tablespoons of oil. Put the ingredients in. First goes in onions. We've got some red, roughly one small, medium red onion. Stir until it's sauteed or soft, and then add some salt. Probably a teaspoon of salt. Salt to taste. Yeah, so just keep stirring until the onion is soft and sauteed. So yeah, the onions are more or less sauteed and a bit brown. So what we're going to do now is add some tomatoes on to give a bit of colour and some taste as well. It's about roughly half of a big tomato, roughly chopped. We can also add the green chilies. Stir them until fairly soft. Now we're going to add 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of turmeric, half tablespoon of cumin, and half tablespoon of paprika powder. Mix it, stir it, and then once that's done, we're going to add the chickpeas. It's about 500 grams. And also we're going to add 1 boiled potato, about 1 medium-sized potato, roughly chopped into cube pieces. We're going to stir until it's cooked. Shouldn't take that long, maybe about 4 or 5 minutes. Put it on slow gas so it doesn't burn. Now we're going to add some fresh coriander leaves. Yeah, that's to give it a bit of a special fragrance. Mix it up and just let it rest, let it cook for a few more minutes, and then it should be done. Cook it on slow gas, otherwise it'll burn. So it's been a few minutes, just keep stirring for like about a minute or so, and then it's done. Your chickpea is done.